Welcome back, you guys. It's your girl Adrian Marie. I'm doing another shower routine. In this one, I'll be focusing on lightening and brightening up my dark spots, underarms, butt crack, knees, knuckles, elbows, anything like that. Of course, moisturizing and just smelling good. If you like these type of videos, please stay tuned. Starting this routine, you guys, I'll be using this mother of pearl sponge bar soap. You guys, very unique. I found this at Walmart. It smells amazing, and this is supposed to help lighten, brighten, and smooth the skin, along with my Dove pink bar. I just have not used this in a minute, and it's OG. Smells so freaking good. So I'm gonna just start my shower routine by wetting my body using my shower head. You guys, I do have a filtered shower head by Demoya brand. I've been using that brand for over a year now, and I highly recommend their shower filters. It takes, if you have a bad smell coming out your shower, it takes that away, and it has like over 20 levels for, the water to go through for it to be clean and filtered. So this is what the bar soap looks like, just wetting it a little bit. You can break this bar up, like cut it up into pieces so it can last longer. In my opinion, that's what I'll do on my next bar, because I have two. I just bought one and I accidentally used this one on my body. That one is specifically for my face, so I did stop when I was using it on my chest. So that new bar that I just got is for my face only. The first one, it lasts about a week. Like, I've been really faithful using it because it smells good, for one, and my skin has been looking so much better. My underarms has been looking extremely lighter, and I'm not trying to be Michael Jackson. I'm not. I just particularly got it for my chest and my underarms, just to be, and maybe my knees. I was a little tomboy, so yeah, if it could cut through any of those type of darknesses, scars, and all that stuff, I'm all for it. So I'm using it for my face. The new bar that I got, it suds up really nice. Like, it has a nice foam to this bar soap. Like, the texture, I would say like a lighter Noxzema face wash. Like, that's how it is when I rinse it off. So I'm being careful with my eyes. It actually is burning my eyes because I did soak my eyelashes with a oil to remove the mascara. I had a Clinique mascara on, and that mascara just like sticks to your lashes, so you gotta use like a oil cleanser, micellar water, to really get that mascara off. So I'm going in. Y'all see me going in. Like, my underarms has been looking good. Like, I've been lifting my arms up for no reason, just waving at people for no reason, just because my underarms is just brighter. So yeah, just rinsing off that. I washed up with that soap first. It doesn't leave your skin dry. You just smell good and you just feel extremely clean. So I'm gonna go in with my Dove pink bar soap, and yes, I'm using a thick washcloth. You guys don't know nothing about the thick washcloth. All y'all keep raving about is some thin joints. The thick one holds more soap, you guys. The fibers on this washcloth holds a lot of suds, so you don't have to keep grabbing the bar soap, dropping it, bending over, all that weird stuff in the shower. No, you just gotta suds up this washcloth really good. Get you a nice quality washcloth, you guys. Go to Ross. I got this one from Ross. You can find some good stuff for the low at Ross. And look how much soap this just holds. Like, look, you can never do this with one of them thin paper washcloths at Walmart. Everybody keep raving about, because y'all like exfoliate. Y'all like it scratching y'all skin. That's not where it's at. That's not where it's at. But yeah, get you a thick washcloth. I'm washing my back. Y'all know I like to get my back. I gotta get my back. rinsing off this Dove soap. I just smell like water. I just smell so good. I'm gonna go in with this PhD feminine wash, y'all. This is another go-to, one of my good favorite feminine washes, but I only use this one around period time, so that's the time I recommend using that one. And I use my VH essentials all throughout the week when I'm not on my period. And you guys, top tier PhD, you deserve that diploma. Rinsing, drying off my feet with my towel. I don't like to just get out the shower with wet feet. Like, I'd like, wet the floor up, especially a little wood floor. You ain't got time for that. Dry your feet off before you get out the shower, especially y'all men, because y'all wet the whole floor up like puddles. My skin is dry, fresh out the shower, smelling good. We're gonna finish my skincare, and today is midweek, and I'm gonna exfoliate my skin with this Evanici. I found this at the mall. This is the Nani polishing peel, and this is like the best exfoliator I ever used for my skin. I didn't want anything like harsh. This is like a jelly, but it has like grains in it, but it's not like sugary grains. So I take a nice little dollop of it. Like this, it feels like a gel type texture. So I just, on dry skin, I just put it all over my skin and just rub it in until it like ball up. Y'all remember, I think this that product that was in the mall when we was kids, and they'd be like, let me see your hand, you want to exfoliate? They'd put it on your hand and you really thinking the dead skin coming up. I think it's that product, but now that I'm older, I'm like, this product really works. So especially if you don't want a harsh exfoliator, like, it's really gentle. So I just do this until it ball up all over my face. This is a game changer. That product alone was about $300, and I think I got it for like $100. They had like a deal on it. Y'all see? I massage my face until for 30 seconds. Like, that's it. You would think it's not doing nothing, but I seen a really big difference ever since I got this, and I was looking for a really good exfoliator for my skin, and my skin has changed dramatically just adding this into my routine. So I just rub it around for a good 30 seconds, being gentle, and then I rinse it with cool water. It doesn't sting, it doesn't burn, it does something. It's like polishing away the dead skin, I believe. I would highly recommend something gentle and not abrasive to your skin, so your products go work better. And my products do work tremendously better. So I'm going to see tomorrow when I apply that sunscreen when my skin gets super oily, because that could be the cause. I just needed to exfoliate, and I was just paying attention to my skin because it just didn't look like it needed like exfoliation, but it do. It really do. Even if you don't have like no texture, you still need to exfoliate. Okay, so I might have over rubbed, so I'm about to rinse it off with cool water. But using my disposable face towel, I'm gonna just go in and damp my face. Just dab it. You don't want to like rub it real hard, because you just gotta be gentle with your skin. TLC. So I just go on, dab any excess water off so I could tone my skin. So after I exfoliate, the day that I exfoliate, you always want to tone after you exfoliate. And I don't tone like every day. Like, toning your skin is just like really bringing, if you have like any dark spots or unbalance, depending on what type of toner you have, it just evens out your skin tone. So, and you should use toner on dry skin. So I'm gonna go with my Adagi. I'm gonna need some of this soon. This is a pH balancing toner. Oh, and I wash my face with that 2-in-1 bar soap as well. But the new one, I got that one specifically for my face. I started using it. I was rubbing it on my chest. But I was like, oh, I forgot this one is for my face only. And so I pulled out the old one and finished my body care. You guys, that soap just makes your whole body smell so fresh, so clean, so fresh, so clean. Like a good aquatic perfume, like ooh, fresh. So when I use that, I don't have like no irritation. Like that helps any type of dark marks as well on your face. It has really brightened up my underarms, so I really see a difference in my underarms. It's using that soap. It's a pricey for one bar. It's like $4.99, $5 with tax. So you just have to be consistent. And so far, like I haven't even gotten through the first one just yet. It's been about a week and a half. Like it can get pricey, so I see a difference in my underarms already. My chest knee, like I'm being consistent with using it to really see the results. So that's one thing about me. I'm gonna keep using it until I see results. And if you can find this brand online, if you're looking for a good exfoliator for the skin, please try Avenici. Let me know. And after exfoliating and toning, my skin just feels really smooth, like polished, smooth, like ready, a clean, fresh base. So after that, I'm gonna go in with a serum. You gotta go in with a serum by Jason. This is the Glow Serum. It has niacinamide, so I'm gonna go in with this serum. You could use more than one serum. You just want to layer the lightest one first to the thickest. Yeah, you definitely need to exfoliate your skin if you think your products is not working. My skin feels so good right now. So good. I love that. So I'm gonna wake up with a glow. Use the Abaji Hydrates moisturizer and finish with my skincare. I'm in my body care. And I'm just, you don't need a lot. So that's about it. And apply it. Yeah, this is just all the products so far is just going on super smooth, like way better. It was going on smooth at first, but it's just, you could tell the difference, especially that I'm paying attention to what I'm doing to my skin these days. I could tell the difference. Like, okay, we love that. We love that. And I'm gonna put on some eye and lash serum and prep my eyes. Eyebrow and lash serum, under eye serum. Vichy, this is the Lift Active Supreme. I have a backup because this is so good. It really bring my lashes back to life. It don't say put it on your eyebrows, but it's just so good. I put it on my eyebrows too. So I just use my ring fingers because that's the lightest fingers you want to use around your eyes. And I dab it on my brows. We're going to use that Laneige, the Mint Tonight. Fresh Breath. While brushing your teeth, evening and nighttime. And use Illuminex. Like, my teeth look so good. I use Illuminex toothpaste and mouthwash. Like, lips is luscious. Skincare complete. Let's finish my body care while I'm still open and damp. And yeah, it's ready to receive some moisture. feels so good, feel moisturized. I use my Cherry Almond Jergens lotion. This is one of my top OG lotions. That and the original one is just like, you can't go wrong with it, especially if you want to moisturize your body in the evening without feeling weighed down, icky. That is the way to go. I just feel so good, moisturized. This stuff is really good. It says on the bottle, moisturize and softens, and that's how I feel right now. I use my Curie Clean Aluminum Free Orange Neroli deodorant. This smells so good, just tops it off. I found this deodorant at Walmart a few months ago and I love it. I did not get rid of it because it's aluminum free and it smells amazing. So I wanted a soft scent in my routine, and pulling out the OG, the Latte Cocoa. I love this. It's just a beautiful scent, soft, coconutty, and just yummy, sweet. Oh my goodness, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this shower routine. I smell good. I got on my pajamas. This is like a one-piece, breathable, comfortable. I love it. Adjustable straps, you guys, the best. I actually got this one from Ross. It's brand new and I love it, you guys. So see you on the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you like these videos, please leave a comment and you will see your girl again.